morning, students. Welcome to GK class. Today I am going to discuss some famous authors and their interesting books. But before starting the topic, I'll tell you who is an author. An author is the creator or originator of any written work, such as book or play. He is also considered as writer. First of all, I am going to show you a picture of a famous personality. Do you know who is he? He is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was an independent activist. He was the first Prime Minister of independent India and a famous author. He had written a number of books. The book The Discovery of India is an honor paid by Pandit Nehru to the rich culture heritage of India, its history and its philosophy. Letters from a Father to His Daughter is a collection of 30 letters written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru to his daughter Indira Priyadarshini. The next author does not need any introduction. We all know him. He is Rabindranath Tagore. This renowned author is known by his pen name Bhanu Singh Thakur. He was the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize. He reshaped Bengali literature and Indian art. He was awarded with the Nobel Prize in Literature for his best-known book Gitanjali. One of his books, Sadhana, is an introduction to India's ancient spiritual heritage. Now we have the picture of a famous author who made everyone's childhood interesting, R.K. Narayan. He is the best and foremost Indian writer. He is best known for the fictional town Malgudi. One of his famous books, Malgudi Days, is a collection of stories of the people living in the small town of Malgudi. His book Swami and His Friends is a funny and interesting tale of a boy Swami and his adventurous life with his friends. Now I will tell you something about a female author, Arundhati Roy. She is best known for her novel The God of Small Things. She is a famous Indian author, a political activist, and she has won many awards for her writings. Her book The God of Small Things explores how the small things affect people's behavior and their lives. The Ministry of Utmost Happiness is the second novel of Indian writer Arundhati Roy, and it has been translated into 50 languages. Now we have the picture of an aerospace scientist who was a great author also, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. His full name was Abul Pakir Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam. He is known as the Missile Man of India, and he had become the President of India also. Wings of Fire is an autobiography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. An autobiography is the story of a person's life written by himself. His book Turning Points, A Journey Through Challenges, takes up the story from where he became the President of India. Now I am going to tell you about an Indian writer, Amit Ghosh. He is best known for his work in English fiction. He has won the Sahitya Akademi Award for his book The Shadow Lines. The Shadow Lines is a novel set against the backdrop of historical events like Swadeshi movement and Second World War. The sixth novel of Amit Ghosh, The Hungry Tide, has also brought fame to him. The next picture is of a famous personality whose work is concerned with many disruptions and migrations between Eastern and Western civilizations. This famous personality is Salman Rushdie. He is a British Indian novelist, and he has won Booker Prize for his work. His famous book Midnight's Children is a novel which deals with partition of India. The book East West is also written by the famous author Salman Rushdie. It is divided into 3 sections entitled East, West and East-West. Students, I hope the topic is clear to you. Now, you will solve an exercise Match the Column which is given in your GK book on page number 8. Thank you. Have a nice day.